A 403 error hits, then a 503 status follows, and just like that, your scraper is down. Good news! Most proxy errors are easy to fix. Let's break down the most common status codes and how to deal with them. So, what exactly is a proxy status error? It's an HTTP status code that occurs when a request fails. This is how it works. Your client sends a request to the proxy forwards it to the target website, then the response travels back. The proxy status code tells you if the request traveled successfully. But if something goes wrong, you're met with error codes. Now, before we dive into specific fixes, let's unpack what these numbers mean. Officially, there are 5 HTTP response status classes. The first digit of a code marks the response category. It's like traffic signals. The first digit tells you whether to stop, go, or proceed with caution. While any proxy status codes starting with 1 or 2 don't need your attention, other codes suggest something needs fixing. Let's see how it's done. Error codes starting with a 3 mark redirect errors, either permanent or temporary. Most of them don't require you to do anything besides following the redirect links or changing the URL. These status codes are mostly informational. Next up, client error responses. 400 bad request status means the server can't respond to your request. How to fix it? Check your URL format, headers, and request structure. Clear your cache and cookies. Next, the 403 forbidden error occurs. Then the server understands your request perfectly but refuses to let you in. If it's the proxy that sends this error, then it's a different issue. The site you're trying to reach could be blocked by your proxy provider. To solve it, rotate your IP address, check your user agent headers, or switch to residential proxies for better success rates. You can also contact your proxy provider to find out if your target is blocked. 404 not found is the classic page doesn't exist error. Either the page got moved, got deleted, or you mistyped the URL. Double check your URL and make sure the page still exists. 407 proxy authentication required means that your credentials were incorrect. Check your proxy username and password or whitelisted IPs and make sure your credentials haven't expired. Next, the 408 request timeout error happens when the server gets tired of waiting for your request. Fix this by increasing your timeout settings, checking your internet connection, or trying again with a faster proxy. If you face 4 to 9 too many request status, you've made too many requests in a short period of time. Make sure to add delays between requests and use rotating proxies so you don't look like a bot. Now, it's time for server error responses. 500 internal server error means something went wrong on the server's end. You're in luck, because it has nothing to do with your proxies. The solution is to wait and retry later. If it persists, try a different proxy location. Sometimes the issue is regional. 503 service unavailable indicates the server is either overloaded or taking a maintenance break. Rotate to a different IP address and implement retry logic, or you can always wait for the overload to end. 504 gateway timeout means the website couldn't complete the request in time. You can increase your timeout settings, try a faster proxy location, or try during off-peak hours when the servers aren't as busy. Here's one tip from my experience. While knowing how to fix these errors is crucial, it's the best to prevent them from happening in the first place. The right proxy infrastructure makes most of these headaches disappear. High-quality IP pools have better reputation. Proxy rotation avoids rate limits. And broad geo coverage keeps things running even if one region has issues. By the way, Decodo proxies tick all of these boxes. That covers the most common proxy-related status errors. Have you run into any of these before? Share your experience in the comments below. Ready to skip the error troubleshooting and focus on getting your data? Try Decodo proxies with a free trial. You can find the link in the video description.